Good morning. This is X-Pulse AI Morning Mix. It's Thursday, August 6, 2026. Today, Microsoft's AI revenue disclosures tie back to OpenAI, Google's in talks for a more than $1.5 billion talent and license deal, and Meta faces a brutal synthetic content moderation failure. Orion's here, ready to jump in?
Ready, let's do it.
Bloomberg reported on August 5th that Microsoft's new disclosures show most of its AI-related revenue is driven largely by OpenAI. Orion, what exactly is being revealed here?
The key point is dependency. Microsoft is signaling that a big share of what it's labeling AI revenue is materially tied to its commercial relationship with OpenAI, not just Microsoft-built models. It's a reminder that the AI business line is in practice a partnership-led business.
Does that change how you read Microsoft's AI strategy?
It raises the stakes on alignment, product roadmaps, capacity planning, and even pricing power. If AI revenue tracks OpenAI usage, then anything that shifts demand for those models, competition, regulation, or model quality, hits Microsoft's numbers faster than people assume.
Business Insider reported on August 5th that Google is in talks on a deal worth more than $1.5 billion to hire and license AI coding startup Mechanize. What's on the table?
It sounds like a hybrid. Google brings over key people and also licenses Mechanize's tech, rather than doing a classic acquisition. The intent is speed, folding proven coding agent workflow tooling into Google's internal and commercial coding push.
Mechanize is new to most listeners. What do they do?
Mechanize builds tooling around AI coding workflows. Think agentic coding assistants that's optimized for how developers actually ship software, task breakdown, code review loops, and integration into dev environments. Also, $1.5 billion for a hiring package. LinkedIn just fainted.
Engadget reported on August 5th that researchers with the Tech Transparency Project found more than 50 paid ads on Meta platforms containing AI-generated child sexual abuse material. That's horrific. Orion, what does this say about Meta's safeguards?
It signals serious failures in ad review and content moderation, because ads are supposed to be the most controlled surface area. If synthetic CSAM makes it into paid placements, that's a breakdown across detection, enforcement, and the incentives that prioritize ad throughput.
How does a system miss something that extreme?
A few ways. Content can be obfuscated, reviewers can be overwhelmed, and classifiers can lag behind new generation styles. But the bigger issue is process. Ads should face stricter pre-publication checks, especially for image content, plus faster escalation paths when researchers flag abuse.
The New York Times reported on August 4th that the White House has repeatedly changed its stance on regulating open-source AI models, creating uncertainty. Orion, what's the tug-of-war here?
It's a collision of goals, encouraging innovation and openness while worrying about misuse and national security, especially around powerful open models and concerns about Chinese open-source systems. Policymakers keep oscillating between treat open differently and risk is risk.
What's the practical impact for companies right now?
Uncertainty changes behavior. Teams slow releases, overcomply, or move work to jurisdictions with clearer rules. And it complicates investment, because open isn't just a philosophy, it's a distribution model. If the rules shift, the whole go-to-market shifts.
Semiconductor Engineering reported on August 5th that AI data center design is shifting beyond a GPU-centric view toward heterogeneous processors and faster interconnects with tighter hardware and EDA co-design. Orion, what's changing?
Workloads are mixed. Training, massive inference, retrieval, pre- and post-processing. So architects are combining CPUs, GPUs, NPUs, and photonics-enabled interconnects, optimizing system throughput and latency, not just peak compute. ARM and NVIDIA are cited as leaders pushing this system-level view.
What should people watch for over the next year?
More cluster as a product design, memory hierarchy, networking, and scheduling tuned together. Your GPU isn't getting fired, it's just not the whole band anymore.
Let's hit a few rapid updates, starting with what AI is doing to budgets and headcount.
Business Insider on August 5th rounded up layoffs across more than 35 companies in 2026, with AI cited as one factor in some cuts. It also notes Oracle disclosed workforce reductions of roughly 21,000 employees, about 13%. PAM's Intelligence on August 4th says enterprise AI payback is showing up faster, and at least 8 in 10 firms plan to increase spend.
Staying with big tech, Google and Meta both had notable moves.
Bloomberg, via Yahoo Finance, reported on August 6th that Google is centralizing AI leadership in Mountain View to accelerate against Anthropic and OpenAI. CNBC also on August 6th reported Google's commercial push is speeding up while high-profile researchers depart, creating tension over compute and priorities. And CNBC on August 5th says Meta launched Muse Code, a coding agent sold by API.
And on the infrastructure and what gets funded side, what's pop-popping?
CNBC on August 5th says Roundhill launched a photonics-focused exchange-traded fund, pitching photonics as a key theme for scaling AI interconnects. Digitimes on August 6th highlights dark fiber and all-photonic networks as essential for distributed AI compute. Insurance Journal on August 4th says underwriters weigh employers' AI strategy when choosing jobs, and HFS Research on August 4th flags rising physical AI adoption in mobility, industrial, and energy.
That's X-Pulse AI Morning Mix from X-Pulse for Thursday, August 6, 2026. Share it with someone who'd find it useful. See you next time.